Alright, my bag's tearing on me. This cost $23.99 on Amazon, and it's seen some better days, but you can see I have all my camera gear in it. It's for my YouTube channel, and it's smaller than this one, so it's time. I've gotten more equipment, it's time for me to upgrade. You can see the difference in the sizes of the two. So this will hold more, and it doesn't come set up. This one did already, but it's pretty easy to do. And you can see you've got your Velcro on the bottom here and on the sides. So you just take this and put it at the bottom, and put this here. That'll kind of give you one opening. And now I'll be able to just kind of start compartmentalizing everything and how I'm going to want to do this. I know I'm going to probably want this in the top, but I've yet to decide. So I know my camera's going to go here, so I'll work around it. And right now it's just been compressed because of packing, so I need to get it a lot wider, but you could see how tall this thing is. And once you zip it up, I don't want to go too long on the video because I have to compress the video and we're going to lose bitrate, won't be as clear, but you got 4 on each side. These little compartment walls that I can put in here. Go ahead and make my pockets for my battery chargers, all of my batteries, which I got a ton of them in here, and I can customize these for all of those. It's always fun fighting with Velcro. I'm able to get these the way I want them. Store all of my batteries here, and they go with this on this side here. See, that's looking better already. This is a lot smaller. I like that it has this nice cushion on the back. There's a compartment here with a rain pack, overpack. In case it starts to rain, you can cover up all your equipment, which is a nice feature. And then here it has a back compartment. I may just put my monitor in this. But there you go. I've got a lot of deciding to do on the compartments and getting them customized, but there you get a sense of what it looks like. Another compartment here. There you go.